Guys, in this video we will see how to fix the specified server cannot perform the requested operation error code 0x8007003A on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshooters and here run network and internet troubleshoot. This is your first and initial workaround. Windows inbuilt tool troubleshoot may helpful to resolve your issues. The second workaround is right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key and here type services.msc services.msc and click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system and here you will have to start or restart two services and the first one is DNS client services. Simply right click on it and if you found it in stop mode then start it and make sure that this startup type is set as automatic. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Make sure this function and the second one is server services. Scroll down and look for server services. Right click on it. Right click on it and first choose start. Otherwise, if you found already in start mode, then restart it. Restart server services. When server restart, these other services will also restart. Choose yes. And let the window complete the restarting process of your server services. Wait for some times and after that close the windows and apply a double click on it to open its properties and make sure that the startup type is set as automatic. Choose apply and OK to save the changes. After that restart your system and check whether your error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again right click on the start button and choose run and here in run dialog box type msconfiz msconfig and click on OK. This command will open system configuration windows. Here from the top menu bar, go to services and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services and choose disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter, go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and open task manager link. Click on this link, open task manager and a startup all the startup apps status you will see here. Look for the enabled startup app. Go through one by one and check whether any startup apps enabled in your system. Found it, and if you found any enabled startup app, simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all your enabled startup apps and thereafter close the task manager windows and choose apply and OK to save the changes. This process is called clean boot your system. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on the start button and choose run. And here in run dialog box, type the command rstrui and click on OK. This command will open restore system files and settings. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. So restore your system to the previous state whether your computer was in good condition. So choose a restore point. If you don't find your restoration point, then you may create a restore point. Go to my video and choose how to create a restore point and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. This selected backup could not be found, so choose create a other restoration point and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. That's